I officially have the ghost train in Dead Rails. And you might be wondering how. You might be wondering I'm yapping like in every video, but I'm actually dead serious. I have the ghost train. Today we'll test it out at a town. I hope we get some bones because right now I'm dead broke. Oh, I wish I had voice chat. No one here. Boom, boom, boom. I have the ghost train. Since I have the ghost train, I'm actually confident of playing Dead Rails by myself soon. Because I'm gonna have close allies. And one time when I was playing Dead Rails with my new ghost train, one of my teammates killed a zombie that turned alive. Look at him, like, can I say something? Gosh, I'm so slow. Stack this gold mob. Ching chang. And look at this guy. Grab a navy revolver. Get some revolver ammo. Yeah, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have. Bye-bye to my precious navy revolver. I'll probably never use this because I'm going to sell it anyway. I want to sell the coal, the ammo, whatever this is. I completely forgot. And do I see? Okay. You know what? I'm buying a regular revolver. Oh wait, I'm too broke. I can't believe I just wasted my own money. I'm only gonna raid buildings, not the towns. Because I'm $0. Because I'm really broke. And stupid. Yeah, I'm really stupid. I can actually use. Literally, you. Oh my God. Sprint! I want to let me sprint. I'm gonna hold it or something. One guy is going. One of them are going in straight into the fire, which is also green. Okay, now I'm gonna set it up like. If you didn't see my two shorts, I really feel fast. I'm surprised why. I will kill those horses and use them as fuel. Nah, I'm not waiting for that gold. Yeah, you know what? Screw this. What is it? Everyone died. You mean only one person died? I have to wait. Gosh. So yeah, guys, there's nothing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally. It took so long. I'm changing my class. I'm quick to conduct the class so I can go quick with it. I need the sweet 80x speed. Okay, I got loading decent script. Ching ching. I should have bought a rifle to start the game. A blunderbuss. Blunderbuss. Give that to me. And 1 piece of coal, please. And I don't have shotgun shells. Right. I want wood. Wait! I didn't fire. I got my 2 bonus coals. Eat what? Eat what, dude? I'm calling him that because I'm on. Oh god. Oh my. Oh god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm not stuck anymore. Yo, everyone left me. Where is that? Oh, you guys in the newspaper. You think you're weld? train? Oh, yep. No one will. They're stinky. Stinky. Dude, you can. This guy can just give it to me. If it doesn't want to. Oh. Let's. Oh no! Newspaper. What's supposed? Oh. Okay, it's more even live. Why is it glitching out like that? If it stops moving, then nothing will be fine. Then everything will be fine. It went from 0 to 84. We're heading to a direct town. Why do we hear boss music? But this is taking forever. We're going to direct town. Kill him! Become our allies. Let's go. No. Ah! Turn them into our allies. I take bonds. I take bonds.